Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm one of the PTs for Racker. I'm going to show you some different ways to use your laundry as a way to get kids moving, since laundry is a fact of life. So I have a pile in front of me. We're going to start just doing some things standing. So if you have a front-loading washing machine like I do, you can feel free to use the same things. If you have a top loader, sometimes that's better for aiming and for shooting when we throw. So the first thing we'll do is using your feet. So I can stand on one leg, you can use a wall for support, and toss the laundry in with my feet. That is the first one. All right, don't forget to switch feet. Let's get some socks. Socks are best for this one. All right, so we can go in with our feet. You can also do your feet sitting down. So grab some shirts, put those in. This is a great way to work on getting your feet warmed up, and this also practices your feet for balance. All right, the next one you can do is doing a sit-up. So if I had all the laundry over here, I could go down, grab a piece of laundry, sit back up, and put it in the washing machine. So that is sitting and using your feet. The other thing you can do, of course, is throwing. So you could have your child sitting on the floor, you could have them on a ball, so you can shoot overhand. You can also go underhand. Throwing is probably best with a top loader also, so if you have a top loader, you can use that. All right, your laundry's done. Now we can move the laundry from the washer to the dryer. So again, if you're working with side by sides, you can do something similar where you bend down and pass over, or you can be reaching over top. All our gross motor movements, all are great at getting kids moving. So again, the first thing you could do if you have something like this is you could grab with your toes and then pass to your hands. That's gonna be a little bit harder, and then do an overhand throw. With the throwing, don't forget to encourage kids to do it with both hands, both underhand and overhand. If you have something like this set up, you can have kids squat down, grab something, and just put it up top. So this is a great way for you or your kids. Okay, so this could be either after your laundry is done or before your laundry is done if the clothes are dirty. If you're going to use feet, probably when they're dirty, unless they're clean. So we're going to show you some different ways to get laundry from the floor into a basket. So you could dump the clothes out, or like I said, if the clothes are already spread all over, half the work's already done. So you can use a variety of gross motor movements. You can pick them up with your feet and put them in the basket. You can bear walk to get the clothes. So you can get up on your hands and your feet, walk, grab a piece of laundry, walk all the way to the basket and put it in. You could do the same thing crab walking. So you can put the laundry on your stomach, crab walk it over, and put it in the basket this way. You can also do a variety of throwing again. So if you want to be sitting on the floor, you can be throwing this way, standing up. You can grab it with your hands, so squatting down to pick up the laundry and then throwing with both hands in the bin or throwing with one hand. So there really is a wide variety of things you can do when the clothes are on the floor and you're using a basket on the floor. You can get really creative if you have multiple children. Please encourage them. They can try to race if they both have piles of laundry. Who can get it in the basket the fastest, doing bear walk or crab walk. You can really make it creative if you want to have different baskets for them to throw laundry in. So socks go close, but towels go farther away. You can really do a lot of things just with laundry. If you have dryer balls, added bonus, they can practice throwing those.